Make way for John D. Rockefeller.
How'd it go today, Al?
There's 7 million people in the city. You can't sell one lousy apple.
Excuse me, folks. Excuse me. Did anybody here leave a redheaded kid in an orphanage 11 years ago?
No. Ladies and gents, dinner is served. Hey, kid, you hungry?
No,
Okay.
but my dog is.
Here, kid, eat your fill.
Gee, thanks, lady.
So, what are you doing? What are you doing out alone this late at night?
I'm looking for my mom and dad. They're lost.
Lost? Oh yeah. How long you been looking for them?
11 years.
Now that's lost.
Hey, kid, you should just give up.
No, I'm gonna find them.
That's something I haven't heard since 1928.
What?
Optimism.
Optimism? What do we gotta be optimistic about? Look at us. Life's a nightmare.
Well, you gotta have a dream
Traffic rattling over hell night.
to wake you up from your nightmare.
Empty pockets.
At least you got pockets.
Freezing fingers.
Lucky you got them empty pockets.
Newspapers for blankets.
You can read in bed.
Kid, you should have been a politician.
Yeah, you should go run against Roosevelt.
Hey everyone, look at this. Former President Herbert Hoover said today in an interview, though I was in no way responsible for the stock market crash in 1929, I have the greatest sympathy for those who are now ragged, hungry, and homeless.
Ragged, hungry, homeless!